Hello, my beautiful Sinisters. My name is BronySins, and what you're seeing is a desktop background I made for my friend Zane. Go check out his channel. This guy has a unique editing style, and he's my friend. You should go check out his channel. He only has 7 subscribers. Go change that right now. Go make him have more. Go bring him up to 53. Do it now. Part 2. Title insertion, but whatever. Yeah, do it now. Go, 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 go. Even more. I just, failed at talking. Go, give him more subs. Thank you for watching.